Hello students, today we are going to see the seventh one. It is also a negative way of answering only, but you have to use encore. Encore means until. It is the situation is given here. Mother want to go to market, and when she returned back, she is asking some question to you. See the example here. This way you have to present the answers, this exercise. Prepare le dîner, to prepare the dinner. So your mother is using this word. Your mother has to ask the question to you, and you must present the answer. No, still I didn't prepare. Like this, you must prepare saying the answer here. This is the example is given, and before doing that, you must check whether the verb is in infinitive form or not. So prepare le dîner. So conversations is like your mother and you, between your mother and you. Your mother using this sentence and making the question now. Okay. How your mother is asking the question? Are you preparing the dinner? Like this they will ask. So as to, have you prepare la dinner? This verb prepare is infinitive form. Now it is changed in passé composé. It is in past tense now. EX sangram. Okay. As we prepare le dîner. So have you prepared the dinner? The verb prepare, it is not found in the documentic parentides. So you must use avoir as the auxiliary verb. So in the question, subject is tui and verb is avoir. So tui conjugation verb is as. Er you have to cut and exangra. Okay, acute you have to use. Now the verb is changed into a past. You must present the answer now. Anchor you have to use, don't remember, and you must give the negative answer here. No, I haven't prepared still the dinner. No, I haven't prepared still. Okay. Still, anchor still. Have not prepared the dinner. So, I hope you remember this expression ne and pa. Anchor. You must use here. Still not. Okay. Not yet. Till. I still have not prepared the dinner. Subject is tui. Our conjugation is as. But here your subject is j. Our conjugation is ai. It is normal conjugation. The same. Past participle word is same. You should not do anything in the verb and sentence. What your mother is asking. Just you do subject. According to the subject, you change and write the auxiliary form of a verb. Conjugation of our. Okay. No, I have still not prepared the dinner. You must analyze the example. We will do the first sentence now. Okay, see the first sentence. Repasser les chemises. To iron the shirts. Repasser, to iron. Okay. And the conversation between you and your mother. Autre mère. And who? You. Please remember the verb prepare should be in passé composé. So our mother is coming and asking, as-tu repassé les chemises? Have you ironed the shirt? Repasser is conjugated in passé composé. Repasser, re. It is ended in re, so you must use e accent gra. As-tu, have you. Our subject is tui, as. General rule, er you have to cut and add e accent gra. Okay. As tu passer la chemise. You must give the negative answer. Now you can able to give, I think. No, je n'ai pas encore passé le semi. No, je n'ai pas encore passé le semi. Same way, same model. Okay. Nothing you didn't change here. The same model what is there in the example. Just remember the verb that is enough. Okay, it is very easy this exercise. Second questions. Finir the devoir. To finish the homework. So your mother has to ask the question using finish the homework, and you must present the answer in negative way. Just try to say it using as to. Your mother is going to ask now using the verb finir in passé composé. That you must remember. As to finir ter devoir. Have you finished the work? That is homework. You must present the answer in negative way. How? Think and say. No. Je n'ai pas encore fini des devoirs. Your work. That has to change it in mes devoirs. My homework. Stui te. Your homework. When the subject is je. My homework. Me. Je. Me. That you remember. Okay. This we are changing here. Third one now we can do. Wait, we will bring the third question now. Third one. Ranger ta chambre. To arrange your bedroom. Or arrange your room. Ta is used, that you remember. And you must bring your conversation, short conversation between your mother and you. Autre mère and vous. So she asked you to do some work here. Again she is asking whether you are clean your room or not. Asking the questions. As-tu rangé the chambre? Have you cleaned the bedroom or room? As usual, you are not doing anything, no? So we are presenting the answer same way. No. Je n'ai pas encore rangé ma chambre. So this you remember, ta. Ta is there, but in the answer we are written ma, ma. Okay. That you must remember. Fourth one. Couper les légumes. Cut the vegetables. Legume means vegetable. Couper, cut. Cut the vegetables. After her shopping, she came back and she is asking the question whether you have cut the vegetable or not. She is raising the questions now. So think and say the dialogue. As-tu coupé les légumes? Have you cut the vegetables? Your ordinary answer, normally you will give no. I haven't still cut the vegetable. Je n'ai pas encore coupé les légumes. No, I still have not cut the vegetables. So it is your work you are not doing normally. But you try to do it. Help your mother. You are in home now, so help it. And you complete your work properly. When you are raising the question as to coupe, you must think and use our auxiliary verb and raise the question. Okay. Normally er you can cut and acute. Nothing you do here. It is very easy exercise. Okay. Now see the fifth one. Rosser les plants. arroser le plant. That is, they are asking, water the plant. So your mom has to ask the question, asks you, have you watered the plant? You must say the answer, no. As-tu arrosé le plant? As-tu arrosé le plant? Have you watered the plant? Normally you must present no. I haven't still watered the plant. Je n'ai pas encore arrosé le plant. No, I still haven't watered the plant. It is very easy compared to the previous exercise. So in negative form you have to change it, and it is easy, I think. I hope you will write and see the test. Thank you.